Sharing PDFs is a pain, right? You email a brochure, a proposal, or a catalog, and it either lands in spam or your client ignores the attachment. What if instead you could turn that boring PDF into a sleek interactive flipbook that looks professional, works on any device, and even gives you analytics? That's exactly what today's tool, FlipBooklets, delivers. FlipBooklets is a platform that instantly transforms your PDFs into interactive digital flipbooks. Instead of just sending a static document, you get a professional page-turning experience that's easy to share with a link, embed on your website, or even play automatically at events. And the best part, you never have to worry about your files ending up in spam again. Here's what makes FlipBooklets stand out. One-click conversion. Just upload your PDF and it becomes a flipbook in seconds. Easy sharing. Send a simple link or embed it on your website. No attachments, no spam. Customization. On higher plans, remove branding, change icons and backgrounds, and even choose page styles like magazine, brochure, or hardback. Analytics. Track how many people open your flipbook, what devices they use, and when they're engaging. Autoplay mode, perfect for showcasing brochures at conferences or events. This tool is a lifesaver for marketers, small businesses, solopreneurs, or really anyone who needs to send professional PDFs. Imagine sending a catalog to clients, a training manual to employees, or a pitch deck to investors, all in an engaging, trackable format. Plus, with analytics, you'll actually know if people are opening your files instead of guessing. Now here's the deal. Normally, FlipBooklets cost over $400 a year, but right now on AppSumo, you can grab lifetime access starting at just $59 one time. That includes unlimited flipbooks, SEO titles and descriptions, QR code generation, and more. If you want advanced features like custom branding, bigger file sizes, or even your own domain, you can stack codes up to 3. So if you're tired of your PDFs being ignored, FlipBooklets is a simple but powerful way to give them a fresh professional look. For a one-time price, you'll never have to worry about monthly fees or sending boring attachments again. I'll drop the link below so you can check out the FlipBooklets lifetime deal before it expires. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AppSumo deal reviews.